Hello everyone, it's Donna and I'm here today to do a quick video on the Janome Skyline and the AccuFeed foot and how to actually get this part right here connected to your machine correctly. Because if you don't, this thing's going to fall off and it could potentially hurt your machine or definitely hurt the foot. So right now I've got this facing forward. As you can see, I've taken my needle out. I just don't like getting poked by needles anymore. So I will be turning this around in just a minute to show you from the back view. But I've taken off, this was the HD foot. It is the one that I use, or the ankle, I guess. No, it's the actual foot. I use this more than anything now. I actually love this. I use that more than anything. Anyway, so to attach that, you've already loosened this screw. And what we're going to do is, I'm trying to get this where you can see it and where I can see it at the same time. So I have kind of walked the screw in to where it needs to be on the foot. And hold on a second, and I am going to do the same process from behind so you can see the process looking forward. And while I do this, I am going to have the camera in reverse mode so that I can see the screen. So I hope it doesn't do any kind of weird floppy thing on you. But if it does, I apologize. And here we go. Okay, I filmed this a minute ago, but I guess it didn't take for some reason. Then my camera on my phone ran out of battery, so I had to go charge it up. So here I am. Here's the foot right here, and the phone is actually facing the back of the camera towards me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and down here I am walking this part where it goes in by the screw. Sorry, I have to get where I can see too. Okay, so there it is. That part's on, and I'm going to try to hold this up here. So this part right here is still kind of loose a little bit, so I just clicked it on. So it's just still a little bit loose and different from here. And what it does, it actually, there's a bar. Let me get back in here. There's a little bar or something, bar, right there that it clips, that this part just sits on. So let me get this on here again. Okay, I'm going to start screwing up this screw a little bit. Sorry about this. It's kind of hard to do when you can't really see. So this part right here is still, it's in there, I think. Let me undo it. Nope, it wasn't. So when you get this up here, you're going to put it in, and it's going to go back, and you're going to hear it click in, and you're going to feel it. I mean, when you go back and forth, it won't go out. It's kind of on there. Like, I'm let go now, and I've not got this screwed down yet. Whoop. If I don't screw it down, it'll fall off. But you can hear it when it clicks in. Let's see. There it is. And when you run your finger across it, I mean, you're going to feel the sides here, but this right here is kind of straight. So if you feel anything like this part here sticking out, then you know it's on incorrect. I'm going to put it on here, and then I'm going to get it on. And I'm going to screw it on here real quick so that it doesn't fall off. Okay, so it's on here right now. and it's not, I can't get it to go anywhere. Okay, and now I'm gonna pause this for a second, and I'm gonna turn it around and bring you to the front and show you what it all looks like up here. Okay, so now I have the foot on the machine, and I've just got this like hand tight right now, but it you know, you can see this thing is not, it's not going anywhere. Oops, I just took my foot off. But the actual appliance right here, this is on, it's not going to go. Let me put my foot on real quick. Hold on. Okay, I have my foot back on. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set it down, and I'm going to engage it. But I don't have my needle in, but I want you to see it kind of walk. Let me hold this out. And that's the way it should look. If it doesn't walk like that, or these things are turned funny, then stop it. Make sure that you have the actual ankle on, and then B, that these are inserted properly. Because if you get one of the little nubs in and then the other side's not, it'll sit incorrect in here, and then it can actually come out while you're sewing. I have had that happen. But you know, this is the way it looks when it's on properly. I'm trying to go slow. Let me go. And as it moves, you can see it all working together. So if it's not sitting like that, then it's not working. It's not on correctly. And then hold on a second, let me take it back off. Okay, I removed the foot right here. So these little feet right here, that's part of the appliance, will run in these small ones right here along the sides, which end up grabbing on here. These are your main feeders. Whoops, my light went out. So that's how you know. And then you've got on part of this part of your foot, these will be grabbed down in there. So it's all walking. It's really good. It's a good foot. But I hope that answered your question on how to get that fit on properly. If not, let me know, and I will try to take a better video, maybe from the side. That's going to be a little bit more difficult because I can't see what's on the camera while I'm doing it that way. But I'll try. Just let me know. Hope this helps you out. Talk to you later. Bye.